Hi, in this video I will show how Lightstreamer behaves well on brand new Firefox 3. So let's start from Lightstreamer homepage. We have the typical demo. Push is working seamlessly, but what I would like to test is the stock list demo, and opening multiple instances of the same stock list demo and see how the interaction between different tabs of the same browser work. So let's go to this URL. That is for the stock list demo. The first instance loads very well and it works smoothly. So now let's open a second instance. Ctrl-T, Ctrl-V, Enter. The second instance is pushing to. You see we have two instances. The peculiarity is that they're sharing the same Lightstreamer engine, that is the same physical TCP connection over which all the updates for all the windows or tabs that are part of the same session are multiplexed. This prevents saturating the two connection limit of some browsers, or more generally the connection pool for HTTP connection of any browser. So let's open more tabs, 3. It's very fast actually, and let's open a fourth one. Okay, now we have 4 instances of the same application sharing the session and the connection. I said that the physical connection is kept by one instance only. In this case, it's the first tab that I open. This means that if I close the first tab, all the other tabs should lose the connection and stop receiving data. But there is a special feature in Lightstreamer that is called automatic engine migration, so that if the engine is lost due to a closure of the page containing it, that is called the master push page, all the other slave push pages issue an election, and the new page is elected to become the new master. All the subscriptions are automatically reactivated, and the state is completely restored. So let's see this in action. I close the first tab. You can see that all the other 3 tabs are currently empty, and now one of these 3 has been elected as a new master, and the other ones have reattached to the new engine, and they have recovered the state. All of this is completely transparent. Any page in the application, be it on a different window, on a different tab, or even in the same page, can become a new master push page and restore the push, the commit session, actually. Now I would like to do some stress test to demonstrate how Firefox 3 is able to handle plenty and plenty of different tabs all pushing at full rate. Unfortunately, I have this recording screen software on this PC that consumes a lot of CPU, so I will just try to open 10 tabs, but I did the same test with 60 tabs on the PC, all working at full speed. So let's keep on opening tabs. And again, all of them are sharing the same Lightstreamer engine. This is very important. Otherwise, they couldn't work at the same time due to the connection limit of typical browsers. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's open more. You can see how the initial snapshot is loaded in a very, very fast way. Again, and I can move seamlessly from one tab to another. And all this is very, very fast. Still one more. I stop here, not to slow down record, but you could do your own test. Try to open as many instances as you can and see what is the limit that your machine with Firefox 3 and Lightstreamer can reach. If you want to test this on your PC, just go to the stock list demo and then add a trailing question mark wide equals on with on capital letters to tell the application not to restrict the bandwidth too much. You know that Lightstreamer has a bandwidth management mechanism so that you can allocate a maximum bandwidth to each session. Usually for this demo we allocate a very small bandwidth, 20 kilobits or 30 kilobits are more than enough. Usually a single stock list demo consumes something like 3 to 4 kilobits. But if you want to open a large number of concurrent sessions with all the items individually subscribed to, then with this wide equals on switch, you will have 200 kilobits granted. If you exceed this limit, the special mechanism of Lightstreamer, based on conflation, delta delivery, dynamic throttling, will come in action and will filter the data while maintaining full coherency to guarantee that bandwidth is never exceeded. Now, if I open a pop-up window, you see here a charting window when the real-time chart is calculated on the page. Again, all these pop-up windows share the same physical connection. So I can open as many as I want of them actually, and it's very, very handy. Okay, thank you and cheers.